Hi guys, welcome to my channel. First of all, I'm sitting in the passenger seat of my car, and I think it's the first time I've ever really done it, and it feels really low. I feel really small. But anyway, deviating. I'm just putting this video out just to let you know what's coming up over the next couple of weeks. I've got two main tasks that I want to complete before the summer season, before I get the car back on the road. The first one is going to be the Maxton splitter. So I've spun the car around. I'm starting to get it ready to start that job. The process is going to include removing the front wheels, the bumper, lights, etc, etc, and I shall be making that video over the next couple of days, and hopefully it's the 25th of March today. I should have it out by sort of early next week after Mother's Day, I would say. Then my final video for, in effect, my autumn season stroke spring, whatever you want to call it, is going to be my 3-year ownership review. I've had the car now. I bought the car just prior, before lockdown the first time around. And I'm going to do a full review on everything that I've done, all the parts that I've bought, the parts that I didn't really need to buy, and servicing, and everything that I've done to the car, and give you a rough idea of what it's cost me and where you could save a few bucks by not buying stuff you don't really need. But that's the end video in about 2-3 weeks time. That's going to be just to basically mark my 3-year ownership and sign off for the winter. Of course, I finished my video a week sketch throughout February. I did more than a video a week, to be fair. That's all come to a close now. It's hard work doing that sort of thing, and I really want to concentrate through the summer months on providing better content, and also getting the car out on the road, using the drone and actually putting it through its paces a little bit more. I've got a couple of trips planned for the summer of 2022, but I'm not quite sure what's going to happen yet. We would like to do Germany. We can't do Germany. We want to do Germany. Restrictions are still in place in some areas. Is it too risque? Do we stay in this country and do something like the Lake District or Cumbria or somewhere like that? But anyway, that's where I'm at for now. So tune in over the next sort of week. I shall be releasing the splitter jobby, and then following that one, I'll have a better idea of when I shall get the review done, and obviously get that video out. And then it's MOT time for the car, and at the very latest I'll be back on the road by the 1st of May. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. The channel was made, the Porsche Minor Mechanics has been going now for just a whole year. I think the 21st was its official 12-month period, and I've got 480 subscribers, which isn't too bad. I'm really pleased with that. So I'm going to be working on better content and better videos, and hopefully trying to improve on those subscriptions. But all you guys that have subscribed, thank you, because I wouldn't be here without you. Otherwise, you know, this was originally for me a video diary for my car. So when I do come to sell it, basically there'll be a complete catalogue of videos that the prospective new buyer, I'm not selling the car by the way, could watch to see exactly what's being done. But it's come to be a little bit more than that. So anyway, keep watching. New subscribers always welcome, and of course, as are your comments. Thanks for watching for now. See you in about a week's time with the splitter job. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.